Okay, check it out. So I'm here at the farm, and the goats are making noises, and I'm like, what are they doing? Okay, so I'm wondering if anybody really knows. We got, right, like, that one, right? And then we got the one that goes, meh, right? And then we got the one that goes, what's another one? Like, what's the differences? Like, are they saying something, or, you know, just a little curious. What's the differences, guys? Meh. Meh. I heard that one too. See, I don't really know the differences. And we also, over here, we got some pigs too, which are kind of cool because they're so cute. Yeah. You guys had your chance. Now it's the pig's turn. So we got two little cute pigs over here. But look at how cute they are. We got a black one, a cute stinky inky black one. Then we got a pink one, a pretty pink one. And you know what? Brilliantly enough, I can take this to my school and show the kids at school too. Because farm animals are so cool. Look at you guys. You guys are stars. Aww. And I guess all they do is eat and eat and eat, which I could kind of see if you guys are just sitting here, right, and didn't really have a place to go. Oh, look at that cute little nose. Oh. Oh, look at you. Oh. What are the names, Jonathan, again?
Shadow, Pebbles, Sandwich.
And Shadow, Pebbles, and Sandwich. Bless you. Oh, aren't you cute? Oh, I'm sorry.